to a certain amount. But yeah, they're still doing what they do. We're still selling Ferraris. We're not trying to sell Ferraris at, you know, these astronomical prices like that they're going for. But hey, you know.
Yeah, no, that's true.
So don't be mad, Nike.
Yeah, they're pissed off.
Don't get mad.
They're pissed off. Like, you know, hey, I know they were mad when Yeezy hooked up with Adidas, and how much is this? It's $1,000 a shoe, and we got nothing to do with that. Like I seen this one.
Wait. They can't be too upset because look at what they pulled off with MJ.
Yeah.
Come on, man. It's like,
imagine he decided to walk away. They're done.
They're done.
They're done.
They're done.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, these white brands cannot. If you look at the spectrum of these white franchise brands, right? Nike, Puma, Adidas, all these Under Armours, they're all represented. They have a black face. Now, if the black face walked away from it, there ain't shit. They ain't shit. They can't be like a Gucci. That's why, you know what? Don't even go off the subject.
Right.
I love Ball. I love him.
Dude.
He's a fucking genius,
I just wish, like, okay, I know what he wanted to do.
Yeah.
But when you start doing that, you have to line the right people up on your team to help you execute because you had the right idea.
Yes.
But it's execution and who you got in your camp that's really about it. And
Dude.
like, yeah.
I don't blame the boys. This motherfucker embezzled money from Ball, from their shit. Right. And who the fuck is this dude? Your friend? Fuck him.
Right.
He doesn't even know the business, dude.
Right. Exactly.
Some fucked up shit.
Yeah, man.
And then Zoe plays in it, and it's cheap, and it gets tore up.
Right.
And you're looking at it like, come on, dude.
Right.
Source this shit out to some expensive shit.
You got to be matching or better with your competitors out there, dude.
But
you can't shortcut it.
You got to give it up to him. He's a genius. Because I like what he said. He said, why endorse these motherfucking brands? Don't give a fuck about black people when we can endorse our own and our kids are starved. If Jordan decides to leave Nike and just Air Jordan, Nike's assed out, dude. You know? Mm-hmm. And it's evident, look at Kanye West. Adidas rethinking what they did. They're like, Jews, I know some of us are Jews too, but we got to think this time, next time, these motherfuckers get out of line, you got to go deal with them. We lost billions over letting them go. That's exactly what they said. That's freaking crazy, man. And who does, what's his name? Golden State?
Oh, Curry.
Yeah, Curry. It was one of, I think it was Under Armour or Nike. Somebody fucked up. They had a meeting and they was going to, I think it was Curry. Mm-hmm. And they was going, yeah, we got Curry. Sit him down in the meeting. Yeah, he going to endorse our product. And when they did the rollout, mm-hmm. and at the end it was like, they said the wrong name. It wasn't him. It was like, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
How the fuck y'all going to
Yeah. When you mess up that big, it's like, yeah.
You mess up on this little thing,
yeah,
you going to mess up on something big.
Peace out, dog. Yeah, this is right. Right.
Like, dude.
Yeah.
Even like Curry, of course, LeBron, Kyrie Irving. Dude, y'all can come up with your own brand. Do what this motherfucker Kanye West, when he said he don't want to get into clothes, maybe make my own shoe. They told him the best thing that ever fucking happened. Instead of you starting from ground up, go get with a maker that's been doing it for years and put money behind it and put your name on there.
Right relationship, right? That's the thing. It's like right relationship and people to help you do it. They should have reached out to fucking Magic, because Magic, man.
I love Magic.
Man, he do it, man.
They need to get rid of Palenko.
And they needed to get rid of him a long time ago,
20 years ago.
That's why, Magic don't even mess with him no more. It's like,
that's sad, though, Chili.
It's real sad,
dude. He is the Lakers.
It's just sad, dude. It's sad because, like, you got to think about who Magic's mentor was, which was,
Genie just gonna sit there with, hey, I'm getting dug out by Kusaba and
Yeah,
he's general manager. Get up with him.
Jerry Buss. I don't know why his name was like leaving me right now, but yeah.
Her dad.
Her dad put him up on business game. He loved Magic. Magic loved him, and they just like bam. That especially with the business.
Yeah.
He gave him the game and showed him.
Yeah.
And helped him, to where he is at now.
This fool, Jamie Foxx said, I don't know how much money Magic got, but I'm gonna tell you something. He chartered a plane, flew everybody out to South France. We ended up in a place called Saint-Tropez. And I looked at, what's the name? I looked at LL Cool J. How much money this motherfucker got, dude? He's well, wait. Because he chartered 7 state-of-the-art billion-dollar yachts.
Mm-hmm.
A day is $250,000 to charter it.
Right.
One day,
right.
250,000. This is times 7.
Right.
Not only that, we meeting up with President of South France, and we're dining and all this expensive shit. And then on top of that, they flew him out to Cookie's birthday.
Mm-hmm.
And not only Cookie had gifts, we all had gifts. And them gifts are like Balenciagas and I was like, what? So he kept looking at Cool J. He said, man, come on, man, you gotta tell me, man. These motherfuckers is worth billions. Like, how much money you think this motherfucker got? They had Kurt Rambis, all the OGs.
Right.
They had, of course, their old coach. Remember he retired? Remember of the Lakers?
Riley?
Yeah, Pat Riley.
Yeah.
Now not just him and his wife, the whole family.
Right.
This one, your whole family too. I was like, that fool Magic is worth billions, dude.
Yeah.
And I didn't know, right? I heard something in the late 90s, but I didn't know how true it was. I heard that when all these shopping centers were going up Fridays and Latieros, right here, Willow and Long Beach Boulevard, that property right there, that was all Magic.
Yeah.
And he bought so many properties, built them up, and sold them.
Yep.
And he was like, damn.
Yep. He did it.
Shaq is following right in his footsteps. Yep.
Right.
Only thing Shaq regret was Starbucks.
Right.
He told the investor, black people we don't do coffee.
Mm-hmm.
He fucked up.
Yeah.
It ain't about black people. It's about the bottom line, motherfucker.
Right.
Of course he got ring and all the other shit, but
right. Yeah.
These motherfuckers is balling, chill. How come they can't give us just a meal?
I know.
Give us a meal ticket, motherfuckers.
We'll give it back.
Dude, I wish I knew what these motherfuckers were.
I mean, when you got Laker money, when you got Dodger money,
yeah,
like, really,
yeah.
Come on, man, it's like really
for real.
Well, we got to make this real happen, man. So you to get the best to find out exactly.
We all get the best.
Exactly.
We all get the best.